Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add the wallpaper to your Firefox browser to make it more enticing. Now what you need to do is open up your Firefox app. Then what you need to just do is just scroll down and you're going to see customize home page. It's a new update on your Firefox browser. Just click on the customize home page. Then you're going to see wallpaper down here. Click on the wallpaper. Once you click on the wallpaper, then this is where you can choose your favorable and wallpaper. So I'm going to choose this. Once you choose this, you are going to see that my okay, you can see. Let me click on view. Then you can see we're going to see the oh wow, this is lovely. This is so lovely. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.